Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 291 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about rebirth, stepping into the version of yourself that's been quietly waiting beneath the surface, ready to breathe again. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel yourself grounding into the now. You have released so much to make space for this moment, this gentle beginning. With each inhale, imagine new light filling you. And with each exhale, feel the weight of the past falling away. Now, say to yourself, I am renewed. I welcome new beginnings. And I trust the life unfolding within me. Let your breath remind you, rebirth doesn't erase who you were. It honors your growth, your strength, your becoming. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of renewal with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.